Today we're showing you a 2011 John Deere 5085M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, open operator station. This tractor is a local trade-in. It was primarily used to pull a brush hog. The tractor's been stored inside when not in use. It's a very clean tractor. It is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, so this is a pre-emission tractor. Again, 85 horsepower, has 1,350 hours on it. Comes with a Quicke Q31 quick attach front loader. Has a global style hookup here for the bucket. Bucket looks new. Like it's a 83-inch bucket. Front grill guard on it. Paint's in excellent condition. Again, the tractor's been stored in when not in use. We just serviced the tractor. It's ready to go to the field. Got the multi-coupler there. One single lever disconnects all the loader hoses. Back tires are the 15538 Firestone Radials. They are in excellent condition. Foldable rollover bar. It's got the dual hydraulics back here. 540 EPTO. Telescopic arms. It's got the stabilizer bars. And again, this tractor's got Firestone Radials all the way around it. Toolbox here on the side. Has the left-hand power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching, and telescopic steering wheel. Full suspension seat here for the operator. Got a slight crack in the seat here. Got a couple scuffs here beside the seat where it looks like things were stored. Pretty minor. It's got the 16-speed transmission. You got 4 ranges back here, 4 gears up here which are synchronized. Loader control within easy reach. On the control console, you've got your PTO engagement and your hand throttle, the 2 levers for your hydraulic remotes, and then your 3-point draft and position control. Back behind you here, you've got the 540/540E selector. Down below, you've got the individual brakes, foot throttle, differential lock here in the center, clutch pedal here to the left. You can see this is a very clean tractor. These pre-emission tractors are getting very hard to find with decent hours on them. This tractor is in very nice shape. Again, local trade-in. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please feel free to give us a call.